Hi, welcome back, Daniel Parsons. It's the 8th of January, 2023. I hope your new year is starting off well and it just keeps going faster and faster. So many people set goals at the beginning of the year. And if you write out your goals and start taking actions and put those actions on paper, say, this week I want to walk more every day, and then just do little check marks. Just draw out 7 columns, Sunday through Saturday, and then every day you check. And I've got grids that I keep track of things that I want to improve. And so the Yoli Better Body System. Yoli is a wellness company that's based in Utah, United States of America. It's open for business since 2009. They have high quality nutritional products. I've got right here in my hand the Yes Shake. It's the Yoli Essential Shake. Has all the vitamins, nutrients, adaptogens for your wellness and your health. And you just add this package into some room temperature water, maybe put a little bit of warm water if you like. This is the vegan chocolate, and it's almost like you're having a really thick hot chocolate, but it's got all those vitamins and minerals. It's very affordable. It's a total meal replacement. And if you're spending, you know, $3 to $5 on Starbucks every day, you're going to definitely improve your health. So I'm Daniel Parsons. I am a Yoli success coach, a certified Yoli wellness coach. And there's my name, Daniel Parsons. I'm a member. And there's my Yoli badge from the convention in Salt Lake back in October 2022. I want to quickly pull up for you the Yoli Better Body System 28-day challenge. So if you go to yoli.life and then /28-day-challenge, you'll read the exact same thing that I'm looking at, and it begins on the 9th of January. Get ready to take control of your life and get started on your journey toward optimal health. Join the 28-day Better Body System Challenge and get the support and motivation you need to transform your lifestyle for good with Yoli. So we want to know what your resolution is for the Better Body System in 2023. So just simply register here, name, email, and phone, and hit send. And let's do it together. You have a lot more success when you're doing things with other people than you do on your own, because it's called accountability partner. And I'm more than happy to be your accountability partner. We have a team support chat in Telegram. So the Better Body System Challenge is for you if you're looking for a simple and enjoyable and sustainable system, not a quick fix. You're tired of jumping from one diet to the next, restricting calories, excluding food groups, juicing, and spending hours working out. You want a program that works, a lifestyle you can enjoy for the rest of your life. You want to feel better, stronger, leaner, and more confident. You're tired of weight loss programs that leave you feeling hungry, frustrated, confused, and ultimately defeated. So register now and watch this 4-minute video to find out why you don't want to miss this Better Body System Challenge. And I met this young lady at the convention. She is very, very helpful when it comes to helping people reach their wellness goals. Now, just look at all of these people that have done Better Body System challenges, and they have gotten back to the life that they want to have, and that can be you also. Whether it's that stubborn COVID-10 is a common problem, that people packed on 10 pounds during COVID because of lockdowns, or if you need to lose more. Yoli is here for you. And check this out. All you need to do is get started on the 9th of January, which is a Monday, and you check in each week and tell us how you're doing on social media, and you could win up to $250 in Yoli product, gifts, and prizes. Terms and conditions apply. What's in it for me and my transformation? You probably are thinking now, what's in it for me and my transformation if I join? The Better Body System is an easy to follow 28-day program to help you jumpstart positive changes in your body with a box full of Yoli's exclusive scientifically proven products to help you take control of your health and transform your life. You can get yours at Yoli.com. And I am this wellness coach certified, and my username's Parsons because they'll ask you for that if you went to Yoli.com. So it includes a detailed step-by-step guide that will help you set yourself up for massive success ahead of time. It has a complete 4-week meal plan. You will have access to daily video guides from our Yoli advisory board to help you understand the program, walk you through each day, and help you establish a great foundation. We will follow up with daily text messages from our challenge host, Stephanie Watcott, certified to help keep you motivated. Please watch Stephanie's 4-minute video above on this page. And you will be invited to the private Facebook group to connect with other challenge participants, cheer each other on, and share recipes, tips, before, after pics, and stories. We will host 4 live Zoom calls to share our wins and challenges. You can download a daily progress tracker to help you count your points to win this challenge. Bonus, you can get up to 100 Yoli rewards points to apply towards your next Yoli purchase just for completing the program, and a chance to win up to $250 in free Yoli products and prizes throughout the challenge. You only need a Yoli transformation kit and register. And if you don't have your Yoli transformation kit, you can call me if you need help. I'm in the Pacific time zone, Monday through Friday, 360-383-0265. And the Yoli Transformation Kit, it includes exclusive scientifically proven products to help you take control of your health and transform your life. It has that Yoli Essential Shake I showed you, has the Alkalete for a healthy body pH balance, has the Passion Natural Energy Drinks. I'll grab a case of those and show you that. It has the Pure Gut Health, and it has the Resolve to help you fight hunger, and you're getting your Yoli Better Body System Transformation Guide. So Yoli's Tea Kit and the Better Body System have transformed countless lives over the last 13 years. You can check out Rhonda's amazing transformation story, and she has her little bio there where you can read about that. You can hear her audio, and then just register, and there's the terms and conditions. Let me go off screen share and close this down. This is Daniel. I am a certified Yoli Wellness coach. If you go on Yoli.com and put in Parsons, I would greatly appreciate that. This is the Passion Apple Cranberry Energy Drink. It is delicious. So God bless you, and I gave you my phone number, and I look forward to your transformation and hearing how Yoli Better Body System transformed your life now in 2023. God bless you. Bye for now.